So in addition to the English Max, TOEFL Max, and Business English Max programs that we offer, Connect English also has 4 days a week of supplemental classes. That means Monday afternoon, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday afternoon, we have an extra 1 hour class that students can join at no extra cost. The classes are on Monday, reading and vocabulary. Tuesday, conversation topics. Wednesday, my pronunciation class. Just taught this one today. And then on Thursday is my slang class. It's a 1 hour class that's just gonna help students improve vocabulary and become more confident with their speaking ability. It's also a great opportunity to meet new friends from around the world because the students in those classes are from a mix of different levels. So instead of the same group of students you would have in your morning class continuing into the afternoon, these supplemental classes have students from level 3, level 5, TOEFL, level 2, all together, working together, and it's great for communication and for new friendships. So those extra classes 4 days a week at no extra cost are a big reason why students love Connect English. They're free classes and they're super fun because they're optional. People go there, they just wanna have fun and learn a lot.